what could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things, shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury.
Conditioner sit in a little bit, but I love this. I've been saving this. I realized because I was like, dang, I got some more of that Briogeo, but honey, I remembered I told myself I was gonna save the last little bit I got. I still got one more, probably like, yeah, one or two more. So I'm about to get out of this, but it says, does it say like sit under the dryer? Oh, it say leave in for up to 10 minutes. The girls are now using industrialized water bottles, and they were like, go to Home Depot. And I know that my mama always go to Home Depot to get her spray bottles. So I was like, I know my mama bought some for me. Girl, went to the garage. It was probably like 4 bottles, but the rest of the bottles had stuff in them. This one didn't have anything in it. So we're going to use this because y'all know I really like to do my wash and goes in the shower, but I want to film for YouTube. Yeah, I'm filming for y'all. I want to film for YouTube, so I was like, let's just get a nice water bottle, and also I want a shingle, and I don't want to be in the shower because that's gonna take forever. But look at my curls; they look really, really good. So I'm excited to do this. Snacks in bed. I also got me some pretzels. I love pretzels. They just make your mouth so dry. I got some water. I'm watching Madam President. I've already seen it, but I'm rewatching.
Conversation from this location in which Nafisa's name was mentioned.
Are you gonna ride with me? Are you gonna be round? Will you listen? Never lie to me. Never lie to me. This is all the sign I need.
Oil is so freaking good. I knew I shouldn't have started. I knew I shouldn't even got on this thing because everybody said, listen, if you don't want to have to buy this a lot of times, don't even get into it. Like, don't even buy it the first time or else you won't stop wanting this. And so I just went and got the big one because I knew I love oils. If y'all don't know, I love oils, but specifically a shower oil that I could that I can put on in the shower. Like cause I hate lotions. Like, I don't know, it's just something about lotions that it just doesn't do anything for me. So I like to put my oils on before I even get out the shower. And this, what do they call it? L'Occitane. I actually have some bars of soap of this from the same brand, and I have been loving that soap. I have been loving that soap so much, but I ain't told nobody because I'm like, I got it from a hotel in LA. But anyway, I'm using the soap now, so it's crazy that they have this oil and everyone loves this oil. But this one is the 16.9 fluid ounces. I just put it in my shower thing, as y'all saw earlier. I am obsessed. This is $45 though. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's so freaking good. I'm gonna buy it again. But it's so much that this will last me. But y'all, when I tell y'all, this oil feels amazing. It doesn't feel like super greasy. It feels like it's absorbing into my skin, but it has a thick coating, and you can tell, like, look at the glow in my skin. But it's not like sliding on my skin, if that makes any sense. Anyway, Fren, look out for the Sephora VIB sale, because you need to get your 20% off when you buy this. But it's good. Good morning, Mama.
How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm great.
You in the bed watching that TV, huh?
No, man. I'm trying to do that. Watch it all that night.
You liking it so far, I know.
Love it. I love it. I love it.
The truck done went out. We gotta jump
I think it gotta stay on for longer. We ain't drive that far. The battery needs to be on for probably like 20 minutes.
My mama said I need to be driving it. She was never wrong. I'm just hard-headed. I like to be hard-headed because it'll teach me a lesson all the time. When I'm hard-headed, when my mama tell me to do something and I don't do it, life gonna show me that I should have did it. And it's gonna hit me so hard, it'll make you want to be like, damn, I ain't gonna never do that again. Woo! So when y'all see me in Big Daddy, because this is my daddy's truck, by the way. This is my daddy's truck. We just came up here because I had to renew my tag. I couldn't use the same tag. So it was my birthday. My birthday just passed. So, yeah. You gotta leave that on for a minute?
No, not leave the.
Leave the
once
car
I take it,
running.
the car just need to keep going.
My body. I am currently at Target. Oh shoot. I'm currently at Target trying out the new drive up returns. I didn't even know they had this. They did this. I'm excited, but I'm returning the stuff that I bought the last time because it ain't fitting the way I wanted to really fit, you know?
How you doing?
Yeah, how you doing?
Good, Kimberly, right?
Yes.
Okay. We have 4 returns.
Yes.
Okay. I just got to scan each one.
All right.
Thank you. Was there anything wrong with any of them?
No.
Okay. That one's good. Thank you. Thank you.
It is girls' night, and I decided to wear denim on denim because Fren told me she want to see me getting buck wild tonight, and I'm like, absolutely not. But okay, I need stretchy material. Not necessarily stretchy, but like something that I can kind of move in. So I'm thinking denim shorts with like this off the top denim top. And the only reason I say that is because this is very long, so it kind of looks like a denim short dress with short. Anyway, it's perfect. And then I wanted to wear my white boots, my white knee boots, because first of all, my little French manicure is just not looking its best. And second of all, I just feel like knee boots are very comfortable to me, more than like stilettos and something like that, because you got that ankle support. So I figured that's what we want to do, and it's a roof. So we decided to go to Overstory, and if you guys don't know what that is, it's in Duluth, which is north of Atlanta, and it gives like that Tulum vibe from what I've seen online. I haven't been yet, and so yeah, I was like, you know what, this is the perfect time. I have a girlfriend that lives close to that, so I was like, it's time I come up there with you at, friends. So that's where we're going tonight, and I'm so excited. I need to iron though. I have been so into ironing lately. I'm just so excited too, because I can't do wrinkles. I realized that wrinkles just ain't for me. You know, it's just not, wrinkles just not for me, y'all. I really love a little nice, clean, put together fit, and like, it ain't even gotta be that great. Just as long as it's ironed, it looks so much cleaner, so much better. So yeah, I'm just getting back into ironing, but I mostly wear sweatpants and stuff every day, so I never really have a reason to iron. But we outside, we going outside, we networking, we rebranding, we doing a whole lot of things, okay? We doing a whole lot of things for you. So you need to be ironing your clothes. You trying to look put together, trying to look nice and dapper on a budget, just start ironing. That's all. Some of y'all just gotta iron it. A little wrinkle. Don't be a little wrinkle. This is the part I really hate about this top, because I don't like the seams looking crusty. The seams have to be on point. So that little bend right there, get that out. This is the fit. What are you guys thinking? Okay, the glasses. Just so my hair, like my bang area, can stay out of my face. Because it is still a little long. Even though I cut the bangs, they're still long. The bag is from Louis Vuitton. The boots are from Zara. The top is from Zara. And I think these shorts are also from Zara. So the whole fit. No. The boots are from Shein. The boots are from Shein. And the top is from Zara. The shorts are from Zara. This is from Louis Vuitton. The jewelry is from Dillard's and Amazon. The glasses are from Amazon. The wash and go is linked below. Period. Now let's go. I just got here. I gotta pee so freaking bad. But their parking is $5 for 12 hours. Man, the North be having it made. In the city, it's so much. Oh, hey girl!
Hey girl! I saw you when you pulled in.
You did?
Yes.
Oh.
I said, look at that. I knew it was you with the hair.
You're so cute.
You too. This hair. Oh my god.
No, your hair.
No.
Super cute. Show them the fit.
I'm here.
Yes.
Here
oh
for
my
a good time.
Feeling it. Look at the shoes, y'all. Ooh, they got ceviche. With sea bass.
That's good. I tasted the remainder in the little shaker thing. I'm not even a fan of blood orange, but that's a good point. You haven't tasted it.
Don't ask me about that. Sorry, you said she gave it to you.
No,
sorry.
Yo, this is so freaking cute.
She's just a good actress, yeah. That movie where she was chasing down her son and the whole movie she was in the car. I can't think of the name of it, but that was a good ass movie. She was literally in the car the entire movie.
Because without traffic, Kim, how long would it have taken you to get here?
We can see.
Without traffic. Oh yeah,
Because I'm
there's no
like, all
jumping
right,
out.
what's a midpoint?
Mid-town.
That's what I said earlier. I said
No,
maybe
because your ass
midtown.
lives even further that way.
I'm like,
So,
maybe for her it would.
in
Yeah,
all
I was
honesty,
like,
lucky you didn't.
I gotta pee again.
Me too.
I shouldn't have broke that seal.
yeah,
All right,
okay.
I gotta go too.
I just wanna. Okay, so we're gonna do. I need to do lens buddy. I'm gonna use that light.
We finally
That
made
is a
it
good
out
light.
the group
We
chat.
made it up the group.
We did.
Okay, yes,
Hey,
let's
let me
put my
sit
legs
down.
up from
Girl,
working
get in
out.
here.
Okay, one. Okay, it's going.
Wait.
It's loaded again. Look, let load. Then it's gonna take.
It takes 10?
Yeah, it takes 10.
Ooh.
It's
I know.
Get in here.
So I literally just see
Get
like
in here,
I feel
Get
like
in here.
today.
Okay, that might be the best way.
I'm like, right, we gotta
Cause
we gotta send them to each other. Let's do a shared album.
I'm just a light.
Oh, you're just a light. Okay, well this is just a video then. Well, I gotta get a filter. Y'all don't use my TikTok filter. Okay, yeah. Like they literally gave us cups. It was like pretend there's something in here,
Oh, absolutely.
and she was just.